Come along to the land of sunshine, to the land of tropical palm trees that beckon the way to many a vacationing family. Like this happy foursome nearing popular St. Petersburg Beach at St. Petersburg, Florida, the Sunshine City. The end of their journey has brought them to the beautiful Gulf Winds, one of the many attractive tourist resorts along the famous Gulf beaches on the Gulf of Mexico. Here they're greeted by Tom McGuire, who points out some of the comfortable villas and apartments to make their Florida vacation a long-to-be-remembered tour. While Mother and the kiddies are supervising the unloading of the car, Dad's busy inquiring about the many year-round outdoor recreational activities, which include boating, fishing, golf, and horseback riding, to name just a few. But for these happy youngsters, they've found what they've waited for on the white sands of St. Petersburg's Gulf beaches, and it doesn't take long for them to dip their toes in that warm Gulf water. Yes, sir, this is the life for them. Even Kid's sister doesn't mind too much when Big Brother gives her a splashing. Well, maybe just a little. A warm sunbath for Mother ends abruptly when the youngsters run up to persuade her that the water's fine, come on in. For the water's always fine at St. Petersburg, where the sun shines almost every day of the year. The whole family joins in the wholesome sport that makes them forget those everyday worries they left back home. Mother and Dad, feeling a bit younger, try their hand at a game of volleyball on the beach. And even though their game may stand improving, their spirits certainly don't. Yes, this is the life for these vacationers who can sit back and relax in the outdoor patio and make their plans and reservations for next year at St. Petersburg, Florida, the Sunshine City, and another 2 weeks with play.